Hey there folks, today we're going to talk about the mighty garlic, a versatile and powerful ingredient that has been used for centuries for its health benefits. Garlic, the humble kitchen ingredient we all use. But did you know you might be eating it the wrong way? You could be missing out on its powerful health benefits. What's the secret? Keep watching to find out. Garlic has been used for centuries not just as a flavor booster, but as a powerful medicine. Studies show that garlic can help reduce blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels, boost the immune system, and even protect against cancer. It's packed with antioxidants and compounds like allicin, which fights inflammation and protects your cells. But here's the twist. If you're cooking your garlic too soon, you're destroying all the health benefits. When you chop or crush garlic, the powerful compound allicin is formed, but heat kills it within seconds. The secret is simple. Crush or chop your garlic, then let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking or eating it. This allows the enzymes to activate, maximizing the allicin content. Want to go even further? Try eating garlic raw in small amounts, like in salad dressings or with honey. And here's another twist. You can use garlic in more creative ways than just cooking. Ever heard of garlic tea? It's a natural immune booster. Or what about garlic-infused oil to soothe sore muscles? You can even mix garlic with honey for a powerful cold remedy. So there you have it. Garlic may be small, but its impact on your health is huge. Whether you're adding it to your meals or trying one of our garlic hacks, don't forget to give it time to release its superpowers. Your body will thank you. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy, folks.